In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add column and Mailchimp audience list. By the end, you'll know how to reveal hidden columns you already have and how to create brand new custom fields that show up in your audience table so you can scan key subscriber details at a glance. First, head to your Mailchimp dashboard and look to the left pane. Find and click Audience. This opens your audience list, which is the table of your contacts and their details. Think of this table as your control center. Each column is a data point, like email address, sign-up source, location, or any custom information you've added. If something you need isn't visible, it may simply be hidden, or it might not exist yet as a field. Next, move your eyes to the top right of the audience list table and click Columns. This opens a panel that controls which fields are visible in your table view. Here, you'll see a list of available columns with checkboxes. To add a column to your table, just check the box next to any field that's currently unchecked. As you select columns, your table updates to show those fields, giving you a more complete snapshot of your audience right where you manage them. If the table starts to feel crowded, you can always uncheck columns you don't need to see every day, keeping the view clean and focused on what matters most. If the column you want isn't listed, you can create it as a custom field. In the Columns panel, click the Audience Fields hyperlink. This takes you to the area where your audience's data structure lives. Here, you can create a new field to add to your audiences. Give it a clear, descriptive label so you and your team understand exactly what belongs there. Keep in mind, once a field is created, you can use it in sign-up forms and tags, and it will also be available to display as a column in your audience list. Be thoughtful about what you collect and avoid storing sensitive personal information. Simple, consistent fields make your data cleaner and your segmentation more reliable. That's all there is to it. Open Audience, click Columns, check the fields you want to see, and if you need something new, click the Audience Fields link to create a custom field. With just a few clicks, you'll have a tailored, readable audience table that supports smarter campaigns and faster decision-making. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider organizing your columns right now while it's fresh in your mind.